Now, what if the given trinomial is x squared plus 7x plus 10? Okay, let's check first if we can apply the pattern in perfect square trinomial by using the condition. First condition, first and last are both positive? Okay, they are both perfect square? No, because 10 is not a perfect square. So what we're going to do is proceed tayo sa next topic. So the fourth part of factoring, which is factoring quadratic trinomials. So this is the last part of factoring, but factoring quadratic trinomial is divided into two. Ito muna yung first. Okay, first we have where a is equal to 1. So this is the pattern of factoring quadratic trinomial. We have ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1. Okay, so what we're going to do, to find the factors of the given trinomial, okay, we need to apply the 5 steps. Okay, step 1, boys, can you read?
Identify the values of A, B, and C.
Okay, so let us identify, class, the values of A, B, and C. So to identify the values of A, commonly ito anak yung katabi nung variable na may exponent na 2. O yung nasa leading, nasa first term. Okay, now based on the given trinomial, what is the numerical coefficient at the first term? Okay, imaginary 1. So therefore, the value of A is 1. And then the value of B will be the numerical coefficient at the second term, which is 7. And the value of C is constant lang po. So yung last term. What is the last term? 10. So therefore, the value of A is 1, B is 7, C is 10. Then after that, step 2, girls.
List all the pairs of factors for C.
Okay, so list all the factors of C. Again, what is C? 10. So step 2 na tayo, anak. So step 2 daw, kunin natin lahat ng factors ni 10. Anyone give me a factors of 10? Okay, Sir Kado? 10 times 1. Another factors? Okay, Kasan? 2 times 5. Meron pa po ba? Okay, kung wala na, proceed tayo sa step 3. Okay, step 3. Identify which pair of factors can be added or subtracted to get B. Ano po ba yung B natin? Okay, or sa Tagalog, i-get daw natin yung sum ng factors na nakuha natin sa step 2. Kailangan ang sum niya ay equal kay letter B, which is 7. O, get the sum tayo. So, ang factors na nakuha natin ay 10 at 1, then 2 at 5. Kukunin natin yung sum. Okay, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 plus 5. O, meron po ba tayo nakuha ang 7? O, therefore, ito yung hinahanap natin na factors. 2 and 5. They are both positive. Okay, kapag nakuha na natin yung factors, step number 4 tayo. Write the factors as x plus m multiplied by x plus n. Si m at n, ito na po yun. M at n. Pwede po ba magkabaliktad yan? Yes, equal pa rin ang makukuha nating answer. So, step number 4, use this pattern. 2 parentheses. Inside the parentheses, copy the variable here. What is the variable here? X. Then, what are the factors? 2 and 5. So, therefore, this is the factors of the given trinomial.